Good morning, guys. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel, degen. My name is Shady BTC. Welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please beg you just do it to just hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to like our videos so we can get to those who really need these videos. Okay, today topic we're going straight to we'll be discussing on the psychology of degen trading. Psychology of degen trading. This actually has really made some people to be a good trader, or it actually cause others to be a woeful trader. You hear a lot of people saying that diligent trading is so risky, you lose your money, you do this, you do that. Actually, it's so risky, it's gambling, it's pure gambling actually. Well, even if it's gambling, there are still some basic things you really need to do as a gambler, though. Um, At first, I'll be hitting your three core enemies as a diligent trader, or as a trader rather. You know, the number one is excitement. You know, I know you might be surprised to hear me say excitement. How can being excited make you lose money and other things? Um, you know, there are things you avoid. There are things you avoid. Number one is this: avoid trading under excitement. Whenever you're overexcited or you're excited, just end the trading, take your capital and your profits, and just done for the day. The reason is very simple. Whenever you're excited, you always make mistake out of expectation. Too much expectation makes us to make some mistakes, push on a normal we wouldn't have made. Then it's always better to miss opportunity than to regret losing your money. Because this is Dijan. Are you saying this that X's cannot finish? There are more X's to come. You will definitely make it tomorrow as long as you maintain and take it slow and steady. Then the second thing to avoid is fear. There's this thing they say that fear of settling down out, food, fear and FOMO, you know. Yeah. The thing is this, maybe you might wanna enter a trade, but you are scared, I'm scared, this and that. The fear. Whenever you feel afraid of something, boo, just keep like stay to your lane. Stop that stuff. Don't do it. You know. That allow fears to lead into trading. Maybe I'm gonna miss it out. I'm gonna miss that. I saw this now 3K. Now it's now 10K. Oh gosh, I have to ape it now. Unless I'm gonna lose that completely. Boo, let you lose that completely. Definitely we see another one tomorrow. You understand? So avoid fear. Avoid fear as much as you can, Never you trade under fear. Then secondly is whenever you are trading and you're afraid of, oh, I'm gonna leave now, I'm gonna ape out now, I'm gonna lose trade. If I didn't do it now, I might lose my money. Bro, this is degen. The slogan is always moon or dust. You grab. So it's better you just dust it. Like dust the money. What I mean by dust is just forget about it. Just end just end like just forget about the trade. Like don't even look at the trade anymore. Just leave the trade open. I'm gonna be afraid that you're gonna lose the money. Just forget about that money. If the money goes fine, if you move fine, because the reason is very simple. From research so far, whenever you're afraid that you're gonna lose money, you're in a trade, you're an open trade, and you're afraid you're gonna lose money. Once it happens, you're definitely gonna lose that money. Even if you pull that money from that particular trade and enter another trade, you're definitely gonna lose that money. Then if you pull that money out of that trade you always live out of fear, always tend to do well. Over time I've come to realize this. It always tends to do well. So don't allow fear, don't allow the fear of uncertainty to lead you. Rather be like listen say that whenever I want to trade professionally, leave things aside. Then lastly, the last but not the least is emotions. Don't trade on the emotions. Oh, I wanna make it. I wanna go my $10,000. I wanna go my $1,000. I lost $2,000 in the previous trade. I need to recover it now, bro. Whenever you're trading on the emotion, you are likely to lose more and more. You got burnt more and more. So whenever you are trading, bro, try as much as possible to avoid trading under emotions. It's very, very important. Like very, very important. Leave your emotions aside. Be a professional trader. A professional trader always avoid these three things, most especially emotions. Keep your emotions in check. Just forget. Don't you play professionally. Like play as if you don't have emotions at all. Just Trade, this is business. Business is business. Do business straightforward. Forget about emotions. Keep your emotions aside. If you can keep these three things aside, oh, definitely you're gonna make it in crypto trading. Don't forget the last but not the least, which is the greed. Avoid greed. Avoid greed. Sometimes it's always good to be greed though. You know. I saying this out, if you enter up into a trade, always leave the trade when your greed allows you. You grab. And there'll always be room for regret. Just know this and no peace. You always have room for regret. But let the regret be minimal. Understand? Avoid greed as much as you can. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. In our next video, we'll be talking about who is a degen, what is it, who is a degen trader, what is degen trading, and how to do degen trading. Thank you.